everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. If you guys watched my TikTok, you will have seen a little bit of a preview of me shopping Louis Vuitton the other day. I also mentioned it in my vlog. I am starting to vlog hopefully every week, so if you want to see inside my daily life, my life with the baby, and all of the motherhood side of my life, please go check out my vlogs. I will upload them on Wednesday. So yes, like I said, today I wanted to talk about my new Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I also wanted to share some general thoughts about this kind of item because I have said in the past, I am contradicting myself a little bit, but I have said in the past that it's kind of dumb to spend money on this kind of thing, but I've since changed my mind. Before we get started though, I just wanted to quickly thank today's sponsor, which is Ana Luisa. So as you guys may know, I am in love with Ana Luisa jewelry. They make the most beautiful jewelry starting at just $39. All of their jewelry pieces are sustainable. They're made from recycled gold, and they literally have the most cutest designs. All of the jewelry I basically wear is exclusively Ana Luisa just because I love it so much. I'm actually really glad that they sent me these items that I'm showing you today because I am planning to go on a few trips this year and I love bringing Ana Luisa jewelry with me. This is called the Elle bracelet, and I absolutely love little bracelets like this because I love stacking my jewelry. That's a big thing right now. And what's really beautiful about this one is that it's got this mother of pearl design as the main piece of the bracelet. I just love anything pearly. In fact, all of the things that I got today are pearly, so they all kind of go together. Like I said, I love how dainty this is, and I do have a couple of Ana Luisa bracelets right now, which I really like to stack, as well as some of the watches I wear. I just think that's a really cool look. The next piece I have is called the Laure Mother of Pearl, and this one is particularly cute because it's in a heart shape. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm actually going to try this on right now. Look how cute this one is. I absolutely love it. I actually gave my mom a couple of pieces for Mother's Day, and she absolutely loved her pieces as well. And we were just talking about how this shade of gold is so beautiful. It's not a super bright yellow gold. It's more of a light gold, which we both really like. And I think that's also really in trend right now. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this one. I think this is definitely my new favorite piece. All right, and then the last piece that they sent me, I actually already have earrings just like this, but this one has got a pearl design on it, so it's a little bit different. These are called the Sia earrings, and every time I wear them, people are like, do you just have safety pins in your ears? No, they're actually legit earrings, but I love this look so much. You guys know I love a little bit of an edgier look sometimes, so I love the fact that this one is edgy, but also it's got a girly touch. How cute are these? I absolutely love them. I have so many Ana Luisa earrings right now. I love wearing them all together because I do have several ear piercings on each side, and they all go really well together because they're all that light gold color. So yeah, please go check out Ana Luisa jewelry. Their pieces start at just $39, and I do have a coupon code for you guys to save 10%. I will leave it here on the screen and link it down below for you guys. I will also leave the name of all the pieces that I showed you today, so please go check them out. And thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Alright, so let's get on to the unboxing. So if you guys are familiar with Louis Vuitton, oops, oh, the perfume samples actually just fell out. I got 2 perfume samples. I actually do usually like the way Louis Vuitton perfumes smell, but I've never gotten a full size or anything, so I'll have to try those out. Anyway, so if you guys are familiar with Louis Vuitton, I think you guys will know what kind of item this is. I will share with you guys the price and everything like that, and then share with you why I chose this one over the other thing that I was looking at. All right, here we go. So as you can see, these are shoes, and I'm super excited about these. I actually do think that I saw these on Instagram before I saw them in store, and I was kind of I don't know. I'm not gonna really bother trying to go see them, but once I saw them in person, okay, I couldn't resist. So here we go. Look at these. Oh my god, aren't these so me? Let me get the other side. Here we go. So this is what they look like. These are the Louis Vuitton sneakers. I'm sure they have their own name. This is the Time Out sneaker. And I'm not sure what they're calling this color, but it's the pink color with the demi azure on it. Oh my gosh. So it's also got this like embossed Louis Vuitton logo and then a few like Louis Vuitton logo things on the platform. All of the Louis Vuitton timeout sneakers have this platform. I actually do have another pair here with me, which is funny because I spent months and months and months telling you guys on here that I don't really wear these, and the moment I wore them outside I just kept wearing them, and this has quickly become one of my favorite pairs of shoes. They're so comfy, so I knew that this one would definitely get a lot of use if I bought it. These timeout sneakers are ridiculously expensive, and like I said, I've said multiple times on my channel that I don't believe in spending a ton of money on shoes, especially sneakers. However, I've totally changed my mind. I do have a pair of, like I said, these Louis Vuitton sneakers and then also Gucci sneakers, and I will say that I am completely converted. I do believe that sneakers are one of the things that like make sense now when you buy luxury. I'm going to show you two pairs of also white sneakers. Can you tell that I specifically like this kind of shoe? So these are a Coach pair and a Kate Spade pair, and I've worn these a lot and you can see how dirty they are. Now it's not because I don't clean them, I do try my best to clean them, but you can tell in the Kate Spade sneaker when you clean them you actually wear out the leather. So although, you know, these are made from leather just like how the luxury sneakers are, just the quality of the leather isn't the same. Scuffs really sink into the leather and you really can't get them out. I've tried magic eraser, I've tried soap and water, I even sprayed the shoes before I wore them, but I don't know, it just never like lasts as long. Whereas these are my Gucci Ace sneakers, and I've literally worn these to death. And look, even though I do scuff these up all the time, you can't tell because the scuffing and the dirt does not sink into the leather. This is like coated somehow, I believe, and it's like the exact same on my Louis Vuitton sneaker as well. It's like coated in something, so where like if I do scuff it up, I just use a magic eraser and it's gone. It seriously, I've had these shoes for a couple of years now, and like I said, I wear them a lot, and I have never like permanently damaged them like I have with like a Kate Spade sneakers. I know that the price difference is ridiculous. This is probably like $100 or $200, but seriously, luxury sneakers are so worth it. I'm completely converted now. I know how ridiculous that sounds, but I think that if you spend the money on one pair of luxury shoes, like the Gucci Ace sneakers, for example, you can wear them over and over and over and over and never have to replace them, where something like this, you can wear it equally, like the same amount, and keep having to replace it. So to each their own. I know you guys probably have your own opinions, but I personally do think that they are so worth it. The Louis Vuitton ones though, maybe not so worth it with how expensive they are. They're way more expensive than like the Gucci sneaker. So this one was $1,100, no, $1,110 before tax. Yeah, really pricey. I think that it was the same price as this one, or around the same price. But I know for a fact that it's going to be worth it, and I know for a fact that I'm going to wear it and love it. Now, the reason why I chose this sneaker over the other sneaker that I was looking at, which was in a white and pink with a little bow on it, that sneaker was also totally me, but the reason why I decided against it was because it was so similar to this one, although the pink was right here instead of on the sole, and of course the big bow detail, oh, just screamed me. But I already have this one, and I already have so many just plain white sneakers that I thought this one would be, a perfect addition to my collection without having it be so redundant. And plus, I was thinking that it goes really well with my Louis Vuitton Tahitian print pieces. So I have the Neverfull and the Speedy and also the mini pochette. And I was thinking like maybe when I'm traveling, because I do love to bring this bag for travel, I could also wear these sneakers and it would match and it would look super, super cool. So that is another reason why I think that I chose this one over the bow sneakers, even though I love those as well. I even put those on hold just in case. So I went home and thought about it, and then after I came back and saw how similar they were to this sneaker that I already have, I was like, okay, I don't need to spend $2,000 on sneakers. I'll just leave that one be, but I still love it, and if I had infinite money, I would go back and get it. Alright, so that was the end of my video. What do you guys think of my new purchase? Should I have gotten the other one, or did I make the right decision? You guys let me know in the comment section down below. I want to again thank Ana Luisa Jewelry for sponsoring this video. I will leave my coupon code here on the screen and link it down below. Please don't forget to check them out. Please, like I said, if you are interested in more daily life videos that I'm doing, go check those out on my YouTube channel. I upload those on Wednesdays. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!